Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, it was day 55 of buying NiftyBees every single day. This video is for 21st of August 2026. Before we go ahead, there's a small disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor and this video is purely for informational and educational purposes. If you are new to my channel, I started this journey around 54 days ago. I started buying one NiftyBees every single day. The sole purpose was to be consistent in the markets, to invest every single day, even though it's a small amount, which is 275 INR, approximately $3, but I wanted to be consistent. Yes, I could have gone the route of the mutual funds, but I wanted to invest in an ETF instead of going to the route of the mutual fund. One reason behind that is as there is no active fund manager, so the cost on the ETF is way less than what the cost involves into the mutual funds, right? So that was one reason. Secondly, I wanted to do it manually to get into a habit of investing and feel that like how investing is going to work. And I also believe that once you get consistent in one thing, that is gonna that's gonna be reflected in all aspects of your life, right? So that's why I went for a manual way. Now around 12 days ago I started adding one GoldBeES also. So our investment right now is around 400 INR per day, which could be a cost of pizza for some people, maybe a pack of cigarettes or a cup of coffee, right? But that's what we are investing right now. And with 400 INR per day, how this portfolio is going to grow 20 years down the line, 30 years down the line, that's what I want to see. And maybe we might step it up like every few months or maybe a year. That depends how the things goes. But yes, that's what I've been doing. And if you have any further questions on this, you can let me know. I'll try to answer in the best possible way I can. And I always record my purchase, so I added in the video. You must have already seen it by now. If not, it's coming. Now I have decided to add few more details, which is like how the market is performing. I'm learning onto that part, so if I miss onto anything and if I make any mistakes, I'm sorry in advance. And you can let me in the comment section that what I need to focus on. So looking at the top three news for the market, specifically for the 21st of August, the first thing is kind of okay news that Nifty did give a close around 24,000 or above 24,250 levels. So we are hoping that it will sustain there and maybe have a continuous uptrend. But that depends on a lot of reasons. The one problem which I see is rupee does remain under pressure and is near 96 INR per dollar. And there are various reasons behind that why the prices of rupees are falling, or why it is like getting expensive against the dollar. The major is the geopolitical tensions. They are putting the pressure on the currency, while the RBI has been intervening to prevent a break above 96, but let's see how it goes. Second thing, the crude oil. The crude oil still remains above $93 a barrel, which is a weekly gain of more than 5%. And that is largely because of the concerns over supply disruptions related to the Iran conflict. For India, higher crude oil prices is negative, and for the rupee inflation and the current account and can be like it can impact our markets overall. So if this conflict go any further between US and Iran, there is a possibility that we might see some sideways momentum or a flat market. That's what we have been seeing from the last few weeks, or maybe a little bit of downtrend. But one thing is for sure, no matter where the market goes, I'm gonna stay consistent with my investing. I'll keep on buying NiftyBees, I'll keep on buying GoldBeES, because in the long run, when everything's become stable, we will see the breakout above the lifetime high, which is around $26,400. I'm going to stay positive. I trust in the Indian markets. Let me know what you think about it. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are in the markets and investing from the long run, and if you're a veteran, Let me know in the comment section how has been your journey till date and what are the lessons for the new investors. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you everyone and happy weekend.